Alright, so this is my wife's car, 2005 Pontiac Vibe, and I want to replace the cabin air filter. So what you do is you open your glove box, take all your junk out, and then undo this little screw right here. Once that screw is out, then you just pop this little arrestor off, and then push the insides in, and there it comes off. The cabin air filter is behind this door right here. And we'll open it up, see how nasty it looks. Alright, so we go in here and you just pull these little ears back and open this door. Alright, well there's a highly used cabin air filter. Alright, so this is the actual filter that replaces the worn out one. So I have a link in my description if you want to help the channel out, that'd be great. But you take this guy out and we'll get it installed in the car. Once you get this filter out of its box, you'll notice that it has that airflow direction, and the air does flow from top down on this setup. And then when I was opening mine, I opened it too far and it was too old and broke right here, so we're just gonna have to duct tape it or do some other situation to get it to stay up here. Alright, well, even better than duct tape, we used a couple of sheet metal screws and we're good to go. So anyway, quick easy fix, and we'll be back on the road. Thanks for watching.